What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel, and we have a new surprise for you guys. We have the TRAXXAS MAXX here, as you can see, and story time, the XRT is no longer with us. We actually went ahead and traded it in for the MAXX because we were having a lot of issues and stuff with it. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. Obviously the pinion gear kept stripping like all the time. I probably went through what, like four or five pinion gears. So it was becoming a nuisance, and I decided to go ahead and get rid of it, and we downsized to the MAXX. Heard good things about this car. The other good thing is instead of using two batteries to run the XRT, you only need one. So I was able to hang on to the two 6700 LiPo batteries that we have. They're running right here. So these are what we're running in the XRT, and we'll be able to run these also in the MAXX. And now we'll have two, so we can run one. When it runs out, run the second one. So what we're gonna do, go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. I'm sure this thing is all over YouTube already, but it's new to us. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we got in the box and show you guys what color body we got for it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, handy dandy razor blade. Open this up. All right. Let's see. All right, we gotta see which way we need to. All right, so we're gonna pull it down here, and Owen, you come on this side over here, behind me. Come behind me, and you go ahead and pull it out, bud. Owen, pull it out. Oh yeah. Don't let it fall on the floor. Oh, nice. All right. Yeah. All right, here it is. Let's see. I don't know if this one. Oh, this one. So this one's a little bit different than the XRT. So the XRT, you would do the tabs on the inside of both wheel well, or all four wheel wells. You know, here, I'll do that, bud. And then you could pull the top off, but this one's a little bit different. So this is new to us on how to take this off. So I just gotta, I guess you do it like that. You pull this back, and then I guess this comes off all the way. It should come all the way back. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna take the plastic off. All right. And here's what we got. Got this color. I love this color. This is super nice. What do you think? Yeah, you like that? It's nice and cool looking.
All
right. Now with this, yeah, they're not worn out.
Because when we saw the XLT, they were like completely worn out.
All right, so this comes with the sledgehammer tires on it. A lot smaller, not too crazy. It's got nice grip and everything on it for going off-road. And then the nice blue shocks here that we have. So it reminds me exactly like the XRT, just a little bit smaller. Nice and plush. But with the XRT, you have to put the wheels together on it when it comes out of the box. But with this one, since it's a little bit smaller, you don't have to do that. And then as you guys can see right here, nice motor, you get the fan on it. The setup in the back is the same like the XRT, where you pull this off to get to the pinion gear. You got your ESC, massive servo right there, and then the TRAXXAS 6700 4S LiPo will go right in here. So not too bad. I like how they do the, if this one does the same thing, yeah. You unclip it, and then you can put the battery inside, put it back down there, clip it back in, and that's it. So this is everything you get in the box as with the car. So you still need the radio, bud. And then you do get things such as your, you get some foam stuff on the inside. I believe it's for a battery, so if you're using a different style of battery that's not TRAXXAS to make it fit, you do get that. You get some instructions in there, and then some tools as well, so you can take the wheels and stuff off. So this doesn't utilize, as I can see right now, the 17 millimeter hexes. It just has a little standard small ones like you would get on something like the Stampede. Well, he's still struggling to get the radio out. Now, what I did notice is on the box it says that this is now, has the wide max suspension. So I think, oh, got a controller. So there you have it. So that's, like I said, that's everything that comes in the box. Here you go. Oh, okay. So it says now the new features, it has the wide max suspension. So on the previous models, I guess it was a little bit more narrow. Now this is wider. Supposed to be able to handle a little bit better. And it's supposed to have an enhanced chassis, and then it comes with the sledgehammer tires. So I don't know if the first generation came with these tires or not, but now we have them. And then, yeah, nice body design and everything. You don't have to deal with the body pins and stuff like that anymore. But yeah, what do you think, bud? What do you think?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Let them know. What do you think about it?
It's really cool. I like it.
All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the battery charged up, get it outside, and see how she performs. So let's do that now. All right, guys, and here we are. As you can see, we have the battery that we're gonna be using is the TRAXXAS 6700 4S LiPo, and I'm putting it in like this in order. Now, I think those pads that came with it are probably in here to kind of protect the battery from when you're doing jumps and stuff like that. So I may look into adding that in there, but just for the purposes of just showing you guys the car straight out of the box, we're not going to do that just yet. And then let's fold this thing over, clip it down. That's pretty cool. I like that. Nice and easy. Now I'll go ahead and get this plugged in. Okay, we're all plugged in. Go ahead and turn on the controller. Push the button here to turn this on. You can hear the fan going. Oh yeah, we're good. Let's go ahead and get the top on. Make sure we can get it in there. There we go, like that. And this should come down. This is all new to me, so still trying to figure this out. There we go. And then like that comes down and clips in, and then she's good to go. All right, here we go. Oh. Wow, this is a lot different from the XRT. This thing's got some power. But it's also a lot more smooth. The XRT was like real abrupt and jerky when you went on. This has like a smoother takeoff. Oh, she will wheelie though. All right, let's see here. Get some grass action. She wants to wheelie. Oh, first tip over.
Awesome.
All right, so this thing has some power. It's super nice. So like I was saying, compared to the XRT, strong power initially, but it's smooth. It's like, it's not as jerky. I don't know how to explain it, but it's kind of smooth coming out the gate, and then the power just opens up. So I don't know, I really like it actually. It's not too bad. And it's a little bit more quiet. The gears don't sound as loud in it. I need to open it up. I'm not sure if it's metal spur gear on the pinion gear or not, but we'll find out. But now I'm gonna let Owen check it out real quick and see how he likes it. All right, it's gonna be Owen's turn. You ready, dude? All right, so he's gonna be on the controller. So what I did was, you do have the option to turn it down to like, I think it's like 50% or something like that on the power. So that way, you know, if your kids are driving it, it won't be so much power that they lose control. So this is called training mode, I believe. But all right, here we go. Go ahead, bud. What do you think so far? How's it feel?
It feels good. Ooh.
Is it like nice and smooth? Remember how the XRT was kind of like jerky? Don't hit me. Try to make it go in front of me. Go all the way in their yard and then come back. But just be careful and don't come towards us, okay? Nice! That was pretty cool. Was that full throttle when you did it? Is that the fastest it's gonna go? Like, did you have it all the way pinned? You had it all the way pushed down? Try it again. Nice, dude.
Nope, I'm gonna go fast on
Okay. You like doing that, don't you? I got you. Now I think this has the feature where if you you hit a certain button or do something a certain way, this will be able to flip itself over. I haven't tested it out yet. So not too bad. Like I said, this is 50% mode. It's not too crazy. It's very manageable for someone his age. He is 7. He's been driving cars since he was about 5 because we started him off with the Stampede. So we'll have to send this thing off some sweet jumps eventually. But all right, so what we're gonna do now is go ahead and do a quick speed run for you guys, and then that'll be it.